So last week I gave a talk to a group of customers about AI and CCTV, and a part that has generated a lot of interest since was about the vPro NVR series that comes with Hikvision's new Guanlan AI engine. So I demoed the new search capabilities and people seemed delighted and pretty surprised at some of the stuff it can do. So I'm going to do it in a video today. I'm going to jump on the laptop now and I'm going to run through AcuSeek and AcuSearch. And hopefully by the end of the video, you will know a bit more about Guanlan, AcuSeek and AcuSearch.
Let's start with our old friend iVMS. You're all familiar with them, sure. So this is the vPro machine I mentioned. One camera on it looking out the front of our Cork office. So that's live this morning, nice morning. Pop over to the AcuSeek. So that's a new function in the last couple of versions of iVMS. We're going to look at AcuSeek and AcuSearch. So hopefully by the end of this you'll know what they both do and what the difference is between them. So I was just having a setup test there this morning. Silver BMW over the last 3 days. My similarity, I find low 70s works best. And it's done a good job. Let's find in. Only silver BMWs. I can play any of the clips. It's a 10-second lead in, so within 10 seconds we should see, there we go. Highlighted and all. It's really neat. Let's try another few searches. Any dog walkers? Yep. Had to go back a few days. Oh, somebody's getting carried. Had enough walking. This fella's more Shetland pony than dog. But doing a good job for us there. Man with a red top. Very nice. Now let's test out the AcuSearch. I'll show you how this works. What I'm saying, by using the AcuSearch button, I want to narrow down the man with the red top search to just this particular guy. Let's see how it does. Wow. Okay. That's very impressive. So it's taken out all the other guys. It's done the perfect job narrowing down our good friend Ray there. Imagine if I had 20 cameras in this system and that Ray had walked all around the boundary, inside, upstairs, out the back. It would pick him up on every single camera now and show me where he went and what he got up to. So that's the AcuSearch. The AcuSeek was the first part where I put in the text, man in a red top. So hopefully that makes it a little clearer. Let's move over to Hik Central Light. Software is around a couple of years now, but it's designed to replace iVMS, which will be phased out slowly. Free up to 16 cameras and 2 doors if you want to use it for access. I'm on the latest version here. It's gotten a little refresh lately to version 1.4. Again, there's my vPro recorder in the office. Here's my AcuSearch. It's becoming now familiar, the little purple star there. Into AcuSeek. And it's very similar, so we won't do too much. Let's go back a couple of days. Black vehicle. Very good. It's defaulting to 60%. I find 60% is fine for simple searches like black vehicle, red vehicle. But you need to go over 70 if you want to get more specific. Let's see what else we can find. NMV, non-motorized vehicle, any scooters? Oh, we'll start with bikes. Should be a few bikes, surely. Yeah. As you see, the accuracy does slip a little as we go further down. So let's crank that up to 80. Okay, a little bit too much. So as I said a while ago, around 70, low 70s, I find during my testing is best. Okay, let's combine searches. We'll go red forward, so we're doing a color and a brand. Cool. That looks pretty good to me. And the third way we're going to look is on my phone. So I have a bit of software here that I can pull up my Android phone screen on. There it is. And we have an AcuSeek. So once we have an AcuSeek capable device added, we're going to see that AcuSeek button. And off I go. Well, here's a fairly random built-in search. Man with glasses wearing pants. Better than the alternative, I guess. And there is none. I'll just type something in myself. The one we did a while ago. And there it goes. I can play any of these videos. So that's a really powerful function added to those bits of software we're using day in, day out. Hik Connect, iVMS, and Hik Central Lite.